Prepare to install. Fix the screws and return cover. Return the headrest. Put the cushion, then fix the screws with metal frame. Put the ring, install the holder and light arm. Put the cable into the unit box. Install the lamp. Put the ring, connect the plug for lamp. Push the ring up. Fix the screw to install the lamp. Install the handles of lamp. Connect the cable from the lamp in the unit box. Install LCD holder and LCD. Put the power cable up. Put the ring, install the LCD power cable and signal cable both go to unit box. Connect the oral camera and power cable. Finish basic installation. Subscribe to this channel and be the first to see our latest video. Thank you.